Go.
Okay.
You got it in slow-mo? Okay, good.
Okay, I'm watching.
Hello, everybody. It's almost the 4th of July, and I'm standing over here because I don't want to get hit with a bottle rocket.
Me too.
Yeah, that's my friend's feet.
Yeah.
And here's my feet. And yeah. Oh, goodness.
I didn't even see that.
Well, we're going to light off some fireworks and stuff.
Yeah. Whoa. I didn't even see that, but okay. What'd you do?
There's a deer.
Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah. That's a deer.
Whoa. Whoa.
America!
God bless America. I'm gonna send these things.
Alright, I gotta get my camera on. Wait, which firework is this?
This one has the stick is broken, so it's gonna go everywhere.
I don't even know where that
Wait, I'm gonna
went.
send these to my parents to freak.
That's a smoky molehill.
Get back, dude.
Do.
Here's a. Hey, Max. Oh.
You can draw with them.
Oh my
Go
god.
get that bucket of water if you want to blow water up.
We just
Oh,
need
yes. We're
we
blowing
just need
water
a
up,
white and
Max.
blue.
Go one time, get closer. It's not gonna hurt you.
Shaky.
Oh yeah, it's just a firecracker.
Okay, goodness.
Here goes.
Wow. That did a lot for just a little one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Those looks like a Disney movie.
Oh, lit the other one.
Nice. My eardrum.
Oh, that blew a hole straight through the bucket.
Did
To
it?
be honest, there's so many fountains. But I think they're cool.
I know, because they suck.
You can't see it on
Kill the
camera,
time
but it's
until
like
it's dark.
purple. I found this, and I think I'm gonna light it next.
Throw more of us. We don't like it.
Come on, I could not get my phone on once it started going.
Just keep your phone on. This is dumb. It's like a smoke grenade 2.0.
It's not even that good.
Oh, there we go.
Oh no.
That's gonna spontaneous.
Might wanna- Might want to stand back a little bit. I don't trust it at all. Oh, it's just a fountain. Oh, look at the smoke. That's mesmerizing.
I know. Oh god, it's in my eyes.
Look at it through the camera, though. Just like slowly spinning. That's nice.
Hey,
That everyone surprises me. Oh my gosh!
my gosh.
There's like little green stuff coming out. This is a Disney movie.
Stop throwing them at us.
I'm gonna attack them you've all been waiting for. I'm gonna light
No, you're not. It's not dark yet.
the giant mystery geyser. Yes, it is.
It's not dark enough yet.
Yes, it is. It's mine. It's mine. It's time for mine.
You wanna light it? Here, I'll light the torch for you.
Go ahead.
Just hold the flame.
Go ahead.
Can I light it?
No, you can eat. No, let Asher.
No, I don't want to do that.
You don't wanna light it?
No.
I'll be a chicken.
Here it goes. My geyser.
America.
Oh, ho, ho.
I like the ones that like
Whoa.
crackle. They're like, shh.
Whoa. Red now? My goodness.
Daddy, look at it.
I thought you'd be like holding them.
Orange?
Yeah, that's all thumbs up.
Orange is red.
Gotta call them by their last.
So good, my child. We're abandoning my child.
Nah.
He's useless now. Okay, my dad's gonna light off a big one. I'm gonna get a little bit
Yeah,
closer.
we'll get closer so we can actually see it. It doesn't look like a normal little one.
Ooh. Here it goes. Oh. Oh ho ho. That one's good. It's like a bunch of baby fireworks.
Oh my god.
Crackles! Yes!
Not bad.
Oh my god. Okay, finally.
That one was the best. I'm sorry, child Jimmy, but that one was the best. Go.
Yeah! Okay.
Whoa! It's a real competition.
We're gonna put a bucket over
The
one.
silver show's like actually silver. Oh, that one's still going.
Oh, whoa. That one's gonna have multiple stages. Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah!
I love America!
I think a spark hit me in the face. How many of these do we have? Oh no,
Oh my god.
a bottle rocket. Here comes a bottle rocket.
It's not gonna come toward us. Don't worry. Or maybe
Hopefully.
it might. Oh!
Whoa! I caught most of
I
that.
didn't even catch it on camera.
Oh,
Alright.
nice. Saving up for more.
Did you buy these?
No, my dad did. Whoa, yeah! America! The cheeseburger state. Oh wait, no, it's a country.
Yes, it's a country.
The country of states.
The country
All
of states
39 of
burgers.
them.
The country of states of burgers.
All 39 of them.
All 39.
I don't count Texas. The grand finale of the biggest one is about to
I'm
happen.
going closer to
It's
it.
pretty dark.
Oh my god, my legs hurt.
Here goes. Whoa. I probably want to back up a little bit.
Nah. Oh. See, look, it's Wall Street.
Oh my gosh. Yeah!
Oh! As soon as I turn off my camera.
That was
not exciting.
awesome. Oh wait, it all of a sudden kept going. Is it restarting itself? Rebooting. Rebooting.
Can you send that to me?
Yeah.
Thank you. I stopped my camera way too early.
Also sub to my friend. Show off.
Oh my god. It's pretty cool.
In real life, it's a lot brighter.
It
Oh,
really
goodness.
is.
Just turn your brightness to the max.
Trust us.
As I was saying, sub to my friend here.
Hello!
Wait, what's your channel called again?
It's like random things and stuff.
Random things and stuff,
You
I
have to
guess.
scroll down a lot because it's not original.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of is, but not much.
I'll put a link in the description.
Please do.
Yes, I will. Well, that's going to end it for this video.
Yeah.
Goodbye and subscribe and like, I guess. You don't have to. No one really
Or
cares
don't,
if you
whatever.
don't. Well, goodbye. Look how many of these we used.
There's a lot of trash.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going away. Where'd you like?
Oh, no.
I'm heading out.
Oh, no. Goodbye.